All right, boys and girls, so today we're going to be talking about exponential and logarithmic equations, the essential understanding what we need to get from this section. To solve an exponential equation, we're going to use the logarithm. To solve a logarithmic equation, we're going to use exponents. So we're actually going to focus just on that first bullet today. The other bullet will follow in another video. Okay, so some prior knowledge before we begin is the first relationship between exponential form and logarithmic form. Okay, we've talked about this before. B to the y is equal to x of exponential form. That is equivalent to log base b of x is equal to y. So the exponent becomes what the logarithm equals. Okay, the second bit of prior knowledge we need to remember is the change of base formula. If we have log base b of x, we can rewrite that as common log of x over the common log of the original base. So the base would go on the bottom. All right, so to actually get to solving an exponential equation, this is what we have here. We need to first recognize that we have exponential form, and we need to convert that to logarithm. That's what it says here on our essential understanding. Identify, okay, the base is 16. The 8 is going to be our x, and the exponent would be our y. That's from our exponential form up here. So if we rewrite this in logarithmic form, we would now have the log base 16 of 8 is equal to 3x. This allows us to actually evaluate this logarithm to solve for x. Okay, and as we see here, we need to use the change of base formula we talked about. So we have the log of 8 divided by the log of 16, and that still equals 3x. When we go over, we use our calculator here. The common log of 8, closing our parentheses, divided by the common log of 16 is equal to 0.75. So we rewrite this now. 0.75 is equal to 3x. All we have to do to get x by itself is divide by 3. 0.75 divided by 3 is 0.5. So that's how we solve a basic exponential equation. Okay, I'll show you another example. What we have going on here, ignore that. So this one, we do not have the exponential by itself. We have some other things going on here. What we need to do is get the base by itself. That's the base right there, but we have this minus 6 in the way. So we're going to add this 6 over and get rid of it first. So we have 5 to the 2x power is equal to 130. Now that we have this, we can identify that this is our base, this is our x, and our exponent was going to be our y. So rewriting this in logarithmic form, we have log base 5 of 130 is equal to 2x. When we rewrite this changing the base, we have the log of 130 divided by the log of 5 still equals 2x. Using our calculator, log of 130 divided by the log of 5. Okay, when it doesn't come out evenly like that, I want you to put 3 decimal places. So we have 3.024 is equal to that 2x. And then we just divide by 2. So 1.512 is what x would equal in this case. Okay, what I want you to do, write down these two problems, pause the video and solve them. You can do that right now because these are the answers and the steps to get them. Okay, so hopefully you were able to get those. Okay, finally, what I have for you is everyone's favorite word problem, application. I think it's a little bit fitting. Suppose a certain virus has an infection rate of 8%. If there were originally 24 people infected with the virus, after how many days will it take for 500 people to become infected with the virus? Now, before we would have just guessed and checked on this problem, but now we can use the logarithm to solve it. So what we need to do first, we need to remember that the general exponential equation is y equals a times b to the x power. This is our initial amount. This is our growth or decay factor. Time is x, and the total amount would be y. Okay, so for our original amount, a, that would be 24. So we can go ahead and write 24 right there. Our growth or decay factor, the B, that's going to be 8%. But remember, we always start with 1 and then we either add or subtract it. We are growing, spreading, so it's growing. We would add 8% to that 1, so 1.08. After how many days? That's the question. So we don't know the time. That's X equals what we want to figure out, 500 people. So what we need to do first, get the base by itself. Base is not by itself. We have to divide by 24. Okay. When we rewrite this, again, this is going to be our base. This is going to be our X, and this is technically like our Y here, using logarithmic form. So now we have log base 1.08 of 20.83, repeating, is equal to our Y, or I guess our original variable was X. So change of base formula, log of 20.83 repeating divided by the log of 1.08 and equal that X. Just do the log of the answer divided by the log of 0.08, and you get X is equal to 39.456 days.